Do you want to read reviews and share your thoughts on comics in the WebComics app? In this video, I will show you how to see reviews and comment on comics on the WebComics app step by step, so you can interact with other readers and share your opinion about your favorite stories. Engaging with reviews and comments helps you discover new comics and join the community of readers. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to WebComics app. Here on this page we will skip this, and here in this first page you can choose any comics you want to read or to comment on or see the reviews about the comics. For example, let's go to our library or history. I already have one, so we will go here to history. As you see, you will choose any comics that you have or you want to read, and then here you will tap on this page like that until they show you here, as you see this page, and then you will see here comments. So we'll tap on comments, and here on this page you will find all the reviews about this comics. In this window, as you see here, you will see everything, so you can interact with others, you can see the reviews about the story, you can see everything here, and also you can add your own comments like hi everyone, here let's read or something. Here you can add anything you want. So that's it. This is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.